Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Shashank. Today I'm trying Hakka noodles from Kitchen's Promise. After Maggie, this is my first try. Now let's keep 2 cups of water to boil. After boiling, let's put Hakka noodles. Let's wait until it cooks. Now let's keep peas to boil. Please watch the video till the end. This was very delicious. Please try the recipe. Now I'm adding 2 spoons of oil and some salt for taste. As we are using soya sauce, add little less salt because soya sauce also contains salt. After this, stir well and let's wait for noodles to cook. If you like my recipe, like the video. Now it is cooked well. Let's drain it and add some cold water to stop cooking more. Now let's prepare Hakka noodles. Take a pan, pour some oil, add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. I am following the instruction given behind the packet. It was too yummy. Everyone liked in my home. I was so happy in that moment. Now let's add 1 spoon of soya sauce. And now let's add Hakka noodles powder. Mix the ingredients well. Now let's add the cooked peas. Now the Hakka noodles along with tomato sauce. See, the delicious noodles is ready. Looking too yummy. Let's eat it with tomato ketchup. First time I'm trying. I was very surprised. It was too yummy. Please do make this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.